Okay. Okay, number 1. How often do you shop for food?
Um, I sometimes shop for food.
Okay, only sometimes. For example, in a week, how many times do you go to the supermarket?
Uh, once a month.
Oh, once a month. Okay. Okay, number 2 question, please.
What do you like to cook? How do you make it?
What do you
Um,
like to cook? Do you know how to cook, Chrome?
no.
Okay, let's say for example, in your house, who is the one cooking?
My grandmother.
Your grandmother. All right, so what do you like to cook? Okay. What do your grandmother likes to cook?
She likes to cook
She-
meat and vegetables.
Okay, she likes to cook meat and vegetables. Okay. Number 3 question. Number 3 question. Hello.
Yes.
Number 3 questions, please.
Uh, is there a dish you don't like to cook?
Okay. Is there a dish you don't like to cook?
Um, yes.
Okay. What is the food that you don't like to cook?
Uh, I don't like to cook. I like to cook. Um, I don't like to cook
What?
vegetables.
Oh, you don't like vegetables? Why?
Yes. Um,
Okay. Because
because
what?
I don't like vegetables.
Okay, so very good. You've answered all the questions here. I'll give you 3 points. Okay. Very good, Gong. All right. Next is number 25. Please read uh, the big questions or the big letters.
Um, do you eat much fruit?
Okay. Do you eat much fruit? Okay. So in student A, ask student B how much he or she eats. Okay. So use two of the foods below. All right, so there are 4 foods. You need to choose 2 foods.
Um,
Do you like to eat cheese, fruit, chocolate, or chicken?
I like to eat chocolate.
What what are the 2 foods that you like to?
Uh, chocolate and fruit.
Okay, chocolate and fruit, right? Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. So student B, you are the student B, okay? Describe the amount that you eat. Describe the amount that you eat.
Uh,
Do you eat many fruits or less fruit?
less fruit.
I eat.
I eat less fruit.
Okay, very good. And how about the chocolate?
Uh, I eat less chocolate.
Okay, you eat less. Hello?
Yes.
You eat less fruit and
Yes.
less chocolate. Is it right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. All right, so letter B now. Change roles. Student B begins, use the other two foods. Okay. So you need to say also the cheese and chicken.
Um. Um.
Do you like to eat chicken?
No, I don't.
You know, you don't like. How about cheese?
No, I don't.
You don't like to eat also cheese?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I can ask about quantities. Very well. Or I need more practice. Rate yourself.
Um. I think it's very well.
Second, I can describe quantities. What is your answer?
It is very well.
Okay, very well also. Very good. Okay, so next is number 26. What is in the number 26?
We need onions.
Okay, we need onions. So what is or where do you use onions?
Uh,
Is onion useful to us?
what?
Is onions are useful to us?
Hành tây có hữu ích với chúng ta không?
Yes.
Okay, letter A. Student A. Find out what student B wants to make for dinner tonight. Then ask what he or she needs to buy. What is the in student B? Choose.
Choose one of the dishes below to make tonight. Tell student A answer his or her question.
Okay, so choose one of the dishes below to make tonight. They tell student A answers or questions. Okay, so what is one dish that you want to make tonight?
A cheeseburger.
Okay, you say I want to make.
I want to make a cheeseburger.
2, 9. Okay. Now change roles. Student A picks a different dish. So aside from cheeseburger, what dish you like to make tonight? Aside from cheeseburger, what other dishes you like to make tonight?
I like to make a cheeseburger.
Okay, aside of a cheeseburger, what other
Được
dishes?
rồi, ngoài một chiếc bánh kẹp phô mai,
What other dishes you like to make?
bạn thích uống những món ăn nào khác?
I like to eat rice.
Okay, you want to make a fried rice, I mean.
Yeah.
Okay. Now change roles. Student A picks a different dish. 1. I can ask about needs. How do you rate yourself?
Very well.
Very well. 2nd, I can describe needs.
I need more practice.
Yes, you need more practice because you said you don't know how to cook. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, number 27. What is the question?
Do you eat a big lunch?
Okay, number 27. Do you eat a big lunch? What is your answer?
Mm,
It means that do you eat a heavy lunch? Many foods.
yes.
Okay, so what are the foods that you like to eat sometimes? lunch.
I like to eat French fry.
Okay, another food.
Meat.
Okay, meat. Very good. Is that your favorite foods? Only meat and okay, is that your final answer?
What?
Hello.
Yes.
Is that the only meat?
Meat, rice, noodles, and and um and bread.
Oh, bread. Okay. All right. Tell student B what you eat for each meal, then answer student B's question. Okay? All right, Kong. So this time you are going to express or tell something. What are the foods that you eat in breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, I'll give you time to think what will be your answer. I'll give you time, 2 minutes to think. Timer. Okay, so I will give you a 2 minutes. Zero, 2, 0, 0. Okay, are you ready? I will give you 2 minutes to think, okay?
Okay.
Okay, what you eat for each meal? First, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, prepare your answer. This is your time. Okay. When it is 0, then you will start answering, okay?
Okay.
But 6:25, it's 20 below now. Okay, Kong, it's already time. Alright, so say something. What are the food you eat for each meal? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what are the foods you eat in breakfast? First, breakfast.
No, sorry.
What are the foods you eat for breakfast?
Những thực phẩm bạn ăn vào bữa sáng là gì?
I I eat uh, um, noodles, bread, sandwich, uh, rice noodles, uh, only that.
Okay, only that. Okay. So how about what are the foods you eat in lunch or for lunch?
I eat I eat I eat rice, meat, vegetables.
Okay, you eat rice, vegetables, meat, and what else?
Um, only that.
Okay, only that. All right, let's go to Dinner. What other foods you eat for dinner?
I eat I eat rice, bread, uh, rice, bread, meat, vegetables, and rice noodles. Only that.
So,
Yes.
all right. So, in breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which foods are healthy?
Rice, vegetables,
Rice, vegetables, and what else?
uh,
Only that.
bread.
Bread. Bread?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So those are the foods that you eat healthy. Okay, letter B. I can describe what I eat. What is your answer?
Very well.
Okay, very well. How about I can talk about eating habits?
Very well.
Okay, very good. I will give you a clap. Okay, okay, that's good, Kong. All right, so we are now in number 28. Number 28, how does it taste? Look at the picture.
Um, how does it taste?
What is the taste? Is it yummy? Is it salty? Is it sour?
Salty.
Okay, something salty. Okay, very good. So, we are going to continue our lesson on the next day, okay? All right,
Okay.
so we'll just screenshot this one. I hope you understand our lesson tonight. See you again next time, po. Bye-bye. Good night. Okay.